ko atong charge sa mo ma'am. Ilang kaon to chiko yali ano? Ha? Son. Ay, nagkapanglakaw ko no. Charge ang siko no. Asa mang charge ni kuya ni mo? Ayan, wala lagi ako. Di mo ka charge sa akong charger. Charge na ako kung ano
No problem. Will there be new ones? Don't worry, go inside and I'll find it. It's finished, guys.
Ayun kay Giko.
You guys okay? You hurt? I'm fine. Oh, thanks goodness, guys. You could have been in the hospital. Driving in a supermarket is not allowed. Sorry. All right, take that step outside. I'll clean this